Hello everyone! So today I'm going to make, I think, the world's easiest recipe. It has two ingredients. This is going to be lentil flatbread. All you need are red lentils and water. So I've been soaking these red lentils in the water for about 3 hours. I'm going to put the recipe, of course, in the description below, but that's how you start. You soak the lentils, then we're going to blend them. So add the lentils to a blender. Now that it's done blending, you get this creamy texture. I'm leaving it plain because tonight I'm going to have it with soup. But tomorrow I might want to have it with almond butter and banana, so I'm just leaving it plain. But you can season it to go with whatever dish you're going to serve it with. All right, so to cook this, you need a nonstick pan. Normally I don't like to use them, but in this case it's necessary, and there are healthier options out there today. So let's go ahead. I've preheated the pan. Let's go ahead and see what happens. And you just spread it out a little bit. And let it cook like a pancake. So when the bubbles pop out and they stay set, then you're ready to flip. Here we go, trying it again. Okay, that one probably could have been a little more time. It's not really brown. You want it a little brown, but it still looks pretty good. Okay, so they're done cooking, and this is what they look like. Nice and soft. And I'm just going to have a little taste right here. Wow, they're really good. Nice and soft. They'd be great with the soup or in the morning with my almond butter. And they'd also be really wonderful with some seasoning in them. So next time I might try that. But yeah, super easy. Give them a try. Thanks for watching.